Hi, Neil deGrasse Tyson here, your personal astrophysicist. We know that we cannot find some cow-like animal thousands of light years away. So we need to address the question of what exactly are we looking for. So we need to form a framework that will help us have better thoughts, which will, in turn, help us search better. So we will assume that they have huge megastructures which will allow us to see them. Homo sapiens are the only ones capable enough to change their environment according to their needs. So we will assume that the species that we are interested in will be greedy, curious, and competitive, just like USA. Sorry, I meant us. We as a species always compare ourselves with each other. So if we want to compare them with ourselves, assuming that they will have to follow the same set of physics rules as us, we can compare them on a measurable scale of progress, energy use. Welcome to the Kardashev Scale. I know a really fancy name, but actually, it is quite simple. It puts civilization into four main categories. Type 1 civilization can use the energy of their home planet. That is, from uranium for fission to tidal energy from oceans. We are at point 71, so a long way to go. Type 2 civilizations can use the energy of their home star and its planetary system. That is, from using all the energy emitted from their star using a megastructure like a Dyson sphere to mining entire asteroids and planets for greater ambitions. Type 3 civilizations can use and control their entire galaxy. This is a massive leap. Approximately, there are over 500 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone and a supermassive black hole at its center. This is almost an unlimited amount of energy. The next level is going to be even crazier. A Type 4 civilization will be able to control many galaxies or even the entire universe. Maybe they are even the creators of the universe. Coming back, in each transition, the energy consumption increases by orders of magnitude. For us, it is fuzzy how the level 3 civilization will be. But as we progress towards the future, the fog will probably become clearer. But for now, we will probably look out for radio signals and unusual activity in our galaxy, which does not make sense according to our physics laws. Maybe they might understand ways to bend the laws of physics, and as a result of it, they might be able to travel faster than the speed of light, and dark matter might be something controlled by Type 3 or 4 civilizations. According to me, I think we might be able to understand the civilization which is between Type 1.5 and 2.5. Tell me about your thoughts in the comments section below. Moving on, a dark truth is that there are just so many stars out there, so it is logical to think that there will probably be thousands of Types 2, 3, and 4 civilizations, right? Shouldn't our galaxy flash with their activity, or at least remnants of their civilization should have been found by our powerful telescopes, as the universe is over 13 billion years old? Right? But we find nothing. This might be due to something called the Great Filters. They are the barriers life has to overcome to survive. Some of the Great Filters might be the formation of life itself and its evolution, because if you think about it, an intelligent thing, being a result of dumb stuff coming together, is a dumb thought. Right? Or making life interplanetary might be the next Great Filter. The thing is, if we do not pass a Great Filter under a certain window of time, civilization will collapse. There are other possibilities too. What if a civilization tries to become a Type 2 and then bang, it disintegrates because of a Type 3 civilization because it wants to reduce potential competition and ensure its survival? Or maybe our brains are too primitive to understand their motives. For example, even if you take the smartest ant and try to explain it about the internet, it wouldn't understand a thing, as it just knows to live, eat, reproduce and die. It won't understand the concept of entertainment. So maybe we should look for primitive life forms in our solar system, whom we can fully understand and dominate. They might be living near the hydrothermal vents of oceans, spewing ash as a source of energy and nutrients in the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. This way life can exist without the need for the sun as a source of energy. Now the final and the most important question would be, should we look for them? Well, we already have sent radio signals to nearby star systems, but never have we thought that this might be like an open invitation for invasion for juicy territory. This might just be the solution for the Fermi Paradox and we have signed our death warrant. Maybe there had been a war in the past between different civilizations and the losers were destroyed and losers are silent now as they know they might be risking their survival if they let others know their location. We might never know. For now, let's just be hopeful and remain silent, but we should actively look for others and carefully observe their intentions. A sub to the channel would be fantastic.
पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूं आपके लिए बेटा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक